Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, began his investing journey as a young prodigy. His initial foray into building Berkshire Hathaway involved acquiring a struggling New England textile mill. Buffett's core strategy revolved around identifying companies with strong, defensible economic moats. He sought out businesses with enduring brand power and consistent profitability, such as those in consumer staples and financial services. The cash generated from these stable businesses was strategically reinvested in other undervalued companies. This patient, compounding approach led to remarkable long-term growth for Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett's transparent communication and value-driven philosophy resonated with shareholders, fostering trust and loyalty. From a single mill, Berkshire Hathaway evolved into a diversified conglomerate, a testament to one man's exceptional vision and investing acumen.